Hi there. In this unit, we will learn how to get started with MySQL databases from XAMPP Control Panel. First, search XAMPP Control Panel. Here, you will find services listed. These services can be started or stopped from XAMPP Control Panel. Since we need to access MySQL, start MySQL module. Here, click Admin menu to open MySQL database settings. Now, you will be redirected to PHP-MyAdmin page. PHP-MyAdmin is a free software application written in PHP. Also, they are available as web interface for users. From PHP-MyAdmin, we can perform several operations on MySQL tables. We can create, alter, drop, delete, import and export MySQL database tables from PHP-MyAdmin. In PHP-MyAdmin page, we can see databases listed in leftmost panel. Also, you can find default databases like information schema, performance schema, etc. Here, every database has tables in them. And tables are made of columns. Each column can have values, which are listed in rows. Next, let's create our new database. First, click New option available on top of side panel. Here, you will have options to create database with desired name and collation. We will recognize database through its name. Collation controls how values are sorted in our database. Right now, you don't have to change or worry about collation. Next, give a name to database and click Create. Here, we will be directed to Create Tables option. Next, give name to your table. Provide table name as user data. Also, give some value to number of columns. Next, click Go. Now, enter column names, data type, length, and other attributes. Here, don't get confused with all options listed. Now, give name to your column 1 as name. This column will store username. Also set data type for name as text. Next, create column phone with data type integer. After input values, click Save. Now, we have a database engineering forum with table user data, which has 2 columns, name and phone. Thus, we have learned how to create database in MySQL using PHP-MyAdmin interface. In next unit, we will perform operations like inserting data to table, selecting data, updating data, and deleting data from MySQL table. Thank you for taking this unit.